Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again to our second video. We had a question on our last video about our Pennsylvania Railroad, so we figured our second video could feature that. We're pretty excited. You're probably not on the screen anymore. Pretty excited about our channel here. Jacob wanted to start it, and so here we are. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Is the subscribe important?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Because it's fun. If you have any comments, it's pretty easy to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. If you see something in the layout that you want us to feature in a future video, let us know that as well. And stick around to the end because there's a special announcement, and this is a surprise for Jacob as well.
Yes,
so,
only my dad knows it.
Only I know. So stick around and hope you enjoy it. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. This is our Rail King MTH 462 Imperial K4s Pacific steam engine. Has a couple of cool features. It has the rail talk for when it's dropping off and picking up passengers. It has the automatic uncoupler for the cars, and it also will turn the marker lights on and off. This is the MTH passenger train set. So scale Madison passenger. Jacob, do you want to show them that the doors open and shut?
Yeah. Well, you could so that they could open by that one, but also something different about this is that the doors open and shut from different ways.
All right.
But also there's our doors on the other side that you aren't able to see right now, but they also open and shut the same way as these.
Each of the other cars have lighting in them.
And you can see people drinking.
And you can see the people having all the fun
and
on their Pennsylvania Railroad.
And they may never get to a station because their train is not attached.
And then we have the last observation car.
But sadly, there are no people looking.
Sadly, there's no one observing.
Okay,
and this is our last Pennsylvania car.
And it also is a baggage, but it also has ice. And it is our first one, so we didn't have the other ones. So
yeah, this one's special to Jacob because it is the first car that he purchased with his own money.
Yeah.
So it sits on our display as well.
It sits right here.
Right over there.
And acts like a food car, I think.
Welcome aboard. Step right this way. Conductor's giving us a highball signal. Let's get down the line.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Every time we play with the trains, right?
Yeah.
Mostly. Thank you for watching. Again, this is our
Pennsylvania.
And what's the configuration?
It is a 462.
Right, K4s
And
train. And then the Madison cars are MTH, the train's MTH.
It's a really long train.
For those that were wondering. Jacob, is there anything special you like about the train?
I like that there are really tiny chains. They're like the tiniest chains I've ever seen. And also, something that you might not be able to notice on the camera is that every time it does the noise, the firebox goes dark and then bright.
Right.
Again.
The firebox has a light in it.
And also, we forgot to show you this, but whenever we do something with the whistle, it does two little whistles right after each other, and also there are green lights on it that every time you do it, either if it's on, then it would turn off, but if it's off, then it would turn on.
Yep, special features. It'll turn off the marker lights. It will automatically uncouple the cars.
Yeah.
And then you got to see a little bit of the rail talk that was on it.
Yeah, for whenever it's at stations.
For whenever it's at stations. All right, the big announcement. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. Jacob's birthday is coming up in a week.
Oh.
Our next video is going to be of his present on his birthday. It's going to be an opening. He's going to open his present. We're going to video that. And then
I'll be really excited to open it.
And I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's probably something we can make a video of.
It's a dark train.
No, it might be a tree. It might be a tree. You never know.
No, it's never a
We
tree.
might have got him a tree.
It's never a tree.
All right.
It's never a tree.
Don't forget to
like and subscribe.
like and subscribe
And comment.
and comment.
For if you notice anything on it that we didn't say.
Yep.
For us to say in the next video.
And tell all your friends about our channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.